So we're introducing the iQPC912, which is basically a power cutter with fully integrated dust collection system. It's got a 12-inch blade, 6 horsepower, 2-stroke motor, high output motor. But what makes it truly unique is the dust collection system. Now, most of you probably know, but I'm just going to mention, why is dust collection important? Well, typically this saw, you take it out to a job site, people love it because of its portability. But there's 2 drawbacks. The dust, if you cut dry with it, it makes a huge dust cloud, which is, of course, hazardous to your health, not only the operator, but also to people around them. So dust is a huge issue. Well, people put water to it, and that's one solution, but that water means you're either hooking up a garden hose to it and dragging a water source, or maybe a water tank. So you got to put the water to it, and then the water causes problems as well with, staining the material and slurry and things you got to clean up. So dry cutting with dust collection is really the ultimate for the job, and that's what fits this tool. So this is the world's first power cutter with fully integrated dust collection. How it works is there's a vacuum fan powered off of the motor. That kind of happens right in here. So you make your cut, and that dust coming off of the blade gets sucked in right into here, gets sucked in and gets captured on a filter right inside of here. About every 25-30 cuts to clean the filter, just spin that. That cleans the filter, that drops the dust down into here. Once you do that about 5 times and you get about 5 pounds of dust in this lower area, you just unlatch the latch on this side, you pull this lever, take it over to the bucket, you dump out that dust. That way you get that weight off the saw and you continue cutting. So it makes it real easy to cycle. You don't even turn it off. You just take it over, dump it off, go back to cutting. So a pretty simple but very effective system. It weighs about 31 pounds. The dust collection device adds about 4 or 5 pounds over a conventional saw. What that 4 or 5 pounds gets you is full dust collection right there. It keeps that portability, so you can continue to use this tool like the guy would like to. So makes it very effective. Any questions on the tool itself?
Do you have any specs on the percentage of dust it collects?
We're saying about 90%, but it really depends on what you're cutting. You can cut in all kinds of different directions with this thing. But we're going to do a demonstration here. It's over 95% cutting, kind of like what we're going to cut here. So it really depends on what you're cutting, but 90+%.
Is there any scope to increase the blade size or blade diameter right now? Or you thinking?
No, right now it's a 12-inch blade, which gives you about 4 inches depth of cut. Let's crank one up and show you what it really does. So he's cleaning the filter right there. Then he'll dump it.
Unlock and dump. Wow. Ta-da!
Pretty straightforward system. Just have a bucket, dump off the dust, and keep working.